Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I've got an unboxing. This is Tara by Rene of Paris in the color Shaded Amber. I'd like to thank Andrea and Wig Studio One for providing Tara for me to review for you. This is brand new from Rene of Paris. There are 4 new styles and 6 colors that are brand new to the Rene of Paris line. So I was so excited to receive Tara. I have not opened the box. It just literally UPS just got it here. So hopefully I will have this up for you tomorrow. I will leave the link to Tara listed down below in the description box in case you want to see what other colors are available, and so you could also see the other new styles from Rene of Paris and the new colors as well. All right, let's take a look. Oh wow, really very, very pretty. I did not choose the color. Nice warm color. It appears to be have copper blonde in it. That's what it appears. And a brown root. Take all the stuffing out. I'll show you the cap. Taking off the tag. I just can't review wigs with a tag. Let me give you an up close. And we'll also take a look at it outside. Yeah, this looks, it appears to be a dark, actually it's a dark amber root. It doesn't seem, yeah, it's amber blended with a brown. And then there's some copper blonde. And it looks as if there's paprika in there as well. Yes. So I'm excited to see it outside. Let's take a look at the cap. Okay, Tara has a center part and a lace front. It's all one piece. There's felt covered ear tabs, a non-extended nape, and pull type adjusters. And I'm gonna hope that it fits because usually Rene of Paris fits me a little bit small. There is some stretch here, so I'm hopeful. I also am not feeling any permatease. Maybe a tiny little bit right here at the crown, but really there is no permatease that I can feel. We'll see once I get it on. All right, I'm going to give her a shake. Loosen up those fibers. Get my handy dandy mirror so I can see. I'm going to spray some water just to separate the fibers. And this is something that I do with all my wigs when they arrive. All right, let's take a look at what we have here. We have a deconstructed waves, very shattered, very casual type look. It's on the shorter side. The bangs tend to fall a little bit, but I think that is the way the style is designed, kind of like curtain bangs, if you will. I'm going to say that if we want these to stay back, we need to steam them. Okay, the permatease is just what I suspected. There is no permatease here. Maybe a the tiniest bit at the crown, but that's it. There's no other permatease in this wig. As far as the density is concerned, I would say that it's on the lower side of average. So for my friends that enjoy or prefer a much higher permatease or prefer a higher density, Tara may not be for you. For those of you that prefer a light density, that prefer no permatease, you might like Tara for sure. It's very casual, nothing fancy. This appears to be a real throw and go. The lace front does not extend very far. It goes from here to here where my nails are, right around here. So temple to temple, it is a narrow lace front. We do have knotting on this color because it is a dark root that then lightens as it goes through the wig. And doesn't on this color, there are a couple of light fibers, but I don't see an abundance. So you're not going to get a lot of light fibers on that front. I didn't do anything with the adjusters. This is just how it came out of the box, and I didn't adjust it because usually Rene of Paris fits me small. This one does not fit me small. It fits my 21.75 inch circumference perfectly, and actually I've got really good coverage, which is not the norm. Here's the ear tab, and here is my hairline. The same with the other side. We have excellent coverage, probably better than most of my wig. So that looks really nice. I really like the color. This is a particularly warm color. As I mentioned, there is copper blonde running through, and there's also a paprika or a dark auburn, if you will. So you have a nice dimensional warm color. And I'll show you Tara on all sides. My face from hairline to chin is 7.5 inches. On Tara, we have a fringe of 9.5. We have a crown of 9. The nape is 1.9. And the weight is 3.1 ounces. The fibers they're actually softer than I expected. They're obviously not, they won't be that silky, sleek type of fibers, but it does feel, they don't feel overly dry. You can take some sea salt spray from Aesthetica if you want to give it a little bit more texture and really get in there and loosen them up and just mess it up. I think this style calls more for a messy look than something too out of the salon kind of look. This is one of those styles that you're either going to love or maybe you might say, yeah, that's not for me. But, you know, there's something for everyone, that's for sure. If you wanted to add some bangs, you can do that very, very easily because we have a lace front. And since we have that center part, it's not going to open up the fibers. So if you wanted to add bangs, you can do that. If you want to style it a little bit, I think that'll be easy, even though it is a short style. And just put a little clip back there. We could train the fibers. If you don't like that center part, we can train it and move it over. Oh, I think I like it like this. That looks pretty, in my opinion. All right, let's take a walk outside so you could see shaded amber out in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. Please let me know what you think about Tara. Let me know what you think about this brand new color from Rene of Paris. I would love to hear from you. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.